Ruby is a high-level, interpreted programming language that was born in Japan in the mid-90s. It's object-oriented, which means that it's built around objects and how they interact with each other. And let me tell you, this makes Ruby a powerhouse for creating beautiful and dynamic web applications, especially when paired with its famous sidekick, Ruby on Rails. But why is Ruby so special? Well, for starters, it's got a certain je ne sais quoi that sets it apart from other programming languages. Ruby code is often referred to as human-readable, meaning it's easy to understand, even for those who are new to programming. And let's not forget about its elegance and expressiveness. With Ruby, you can write code that's not only beautiful, but also incredibly efficient and effective. And speaking of efficiency, Ruby is dynamically typed, meaning you don't have to specify the type of data a variable will hold before using it. This makes it a breeze to get started with, but also requires a little extra caution to make sure your code stays on track. But wait, there's more. Ruby has a fantastic and friendly community, with a ton of resources available to help you learn and grow. Plus, there are so many libraries and gems out there that make adding new features to your code a breeze. So, what can you do with Ruby? The sky's the limit. It's particularly well suited for web development, with many popular websites and apps built using Ruby on Rails, such as GitHub, Shopify, and Airbnb. But Ruby is also a fantastic choice for command-line scripts and desktop applications. In conclusion, Ruby is a powerful and expressive programming language that's easy to learn and incredibly versatile. So, whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, Ruby is the perfect choice for creating amazing, high-quality code.